temperature 11:30 seconds out. Always bring that with on a motor change. That'll speed things up. I'm gonna reuse these ones. They have the locking rings. The new ones don't come with the like little lock nut on there anymore. Cheap as fuck. Old stuff's always better, in my opinion. Let's get this shit changed out real quick. And then we're gonna want to flip these. Oop. Oop. Okay. Good. See ya. I put the new Fuji's on the Jeep. I trapped it to the bloody bottle is underneath. Alright, boom. This thing should take you about 15 minutes to change out. That's about it. About 15 minutes. Once you get it down. I remember my first time doing one of these. Fuck, dude. It probably took me 3 fucking hours to do one. I'm like, what do you gotta do? And boom. Alright. I'll drop into the bloody bottle is underneath. Alright, we don't need that bullshit. Need that bullshit. That bullshit. Let's get that guy with the pigtail. We'll just get us some new wire. Because why not, right? Always try to do shit the right way. Try to. But sometimes you can't. But you gotta do your best. You know, 208 volt doesn't matter. So I'll just put one to there. Boop. Another one to purple. Got a little bit off of that. Poof. And poof. Alright, now we're ready to rock.